Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Aaron with Attention to Detail. We are here with this 1988 Porsche 911. This beautiful, beautiful Porsche red vehicle is going to get a full front end of paint protection film from us. So the first thing with any vehicle that comes in here is the prep. What we do is we do a full foam wash on the entire vehicle to remove all the main dirt and grime. We'll clean up the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the caliper, the whole nine. And then on the parts that are getting paint protection film, we do a special prep. And the reason for the special prep is to ensure that once the film is on, there's nothing in contamination, no contamination underneath the paint protection film. So we start off with an iron decontamination, which is what's sitting on the vehicle now to remove any iron particles, brake dust, and road grime. And then if you have not heard of what a clay bar is, we do also do a clay bar treatment. That's going to remove any embedded contamination in the paint. Stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can actually feel with your hands and also hear with your ears. And so once we do the iron decontamination and the clay bar treatment on the parts that are getting the paint protection film, we then rinse the entire vehicle down again, dry it, and then it gets sent to our paint protection film shop. So this is a pretty awesome 1988 Porsche. It's a pretty cool one. And then we have Derek actually working on the prep today, which is pretty cool.